Alright, gang. I'm like hungry as fuck. I really want some Chick-fil-A. We know how it all ended last night, how it all went. I'm gonna just try to get it out of my neighborhood and see if it is just not fucking happy. Oh God, it's hot as balls in here. I don't know where my wallet is. I thought it was in here. Fuck. Well, here goes nothing, bro. Damn, are we back to square one? We are back to square one. Alright, well, let me go find my wallet. We getting some fucking Chick-fil-A, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, found the wallet. Now, I'm not ordering this Chick-fil-A until I get into that fucking drive-thru, bro. I mean, I'd be using the app, but like, I'm not risking this shit collapsing on my way there, even though it's like not even that far. Oh. It's hot as bug in here. Hot as a mug. It ain't even knock. I didn't even hear it. My hazards are still. Oh, that's my blinker. Oh, these people are gonna have to hear my port card knock out of here. Fuck. Alright, let's get out of here. Or at least try to. It's literally square one again. I don't get it. This thing literally broke down on me. Knock on wood. But yeah, we're solid. Bro, I'm in 2K right now. Oh, now it's making horrible noise now. She do not sound the greatest. What if I keep it? I don't know. I'll keep you posted when we get almost Chick-fil-A. That John was fire. Just had to get a quick flickaroonie of it. Oh. My car smell like ass. That thing knocking like fuck too. I don't know if you can hear that, but my car ain't even knocking that bad. Knock on wood. Hold on. What I'm most nervous about putting this bitch in fifth is not, but what's it called? Getting up this fucking light right here. Oh my god, I'd be forgetting. I might have to take. Oh fuck, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, bro. Because this hill ain't even that fucking bad, but the other hill, I'd be putting that bitch in like fucking what's it called? The fucking. Like the other side of this light is fucking miserable. It's a drop. And my car didn't really like it from stock. I don't know. I'm complaining. I'm just fucking yapping. Honestly, it's gonna be completely fine, bro. That thing going crazy. I don't know if you can fucking tell, but it's shaking, bacon. Just like it's like, oh no. The idle's dropping hella. Come on, the light just turned green. Oh, we're here. Thank God. What's going on here? Get out of my fucking way. Oh my god, I hate this city so much, bro. My car is knocking, bro, and I don't need to go through this lane. I know, that's what I'm trying to do, hon. I got it, we're good. Yeah, don't underestimate Bria. All right, we got that shit. We got that shit. Oh, I'm just getting a little too excited and I'm not going where I'm supposed to be going, you know what I'm saying? We're all right though. She handled that shit, bro. I can't let her idle for too long, that's apparently, because she likes to like try to crap out on me, I think. I don't know, from that light experience. I think that's what we're getting, or the inclination I have. Oh, we about to get into food. Yeah! All right, we're at the somewhat decent sized hill. This is, I just fear a little bit for it, but I think we'll be all right. I don't know, there's this fucking car. Let me roll back a little bit so they know that. I need some space because I might not be making it up this bit. Idle looking a little normal right now, for the most part. I don't know. I can feel it, bro. He is not happy. He is the whole John Tell is shaking, bro. Like, I ain't never seen this shit jiggle wiggle diggle. But if this light would turn green, I would appreciate it because it's hot. This is just like a good, like, you know, good test run. Let's see. Oh yeah, we're cooking with cooking oil. We'll be fine. I'm just gonna ride my clutch up here. You know what I'm saying? Oh, and it's green. Fuck yeah, cunt. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm trying to go home and eat my food. Oh, I got no power to get it up here. I got no fucking power. It's not. Like kaput again. Oh, it's not turning on. It's kaput put. The starter ain't even engaging. I'm not putting my brakes on for you. I'm not gonna get up this hill either. So I'm gonna have to roll it into the side road right here and walk home. Oh, that sucks. That sucks so bad. Oh, fuck, I gotta walk home now. I ain't never gonna win, bro. I ain't never gonna win, bro. Not with this thing, bro. I thought I tried, bro. It's toast. Like, it's not even cranking. I don't know, maybe we'll let it cool down, see what happens. But yeah. I got my food though. I gotta walk it home though. Gang. She look clean as fuck though. Damn. Such a beautiful car though. Now we walk. Just needed to write a little note. I forgot my fucking wallet too. It's not leaving that bitch in there. Fuck. Oh hell nah, you tweaking, bro. Damn. Damn. Why you bring Huey with him, bro? Oh hell nah, bro. Get your ass inside here. Huey, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Shit. Alright. Nice train. Right behind me.
I'm cooked. She's cooked. Who won it, bro? A band. Civic show.
We're gonna put a Hemi in this.
We gonna put a Hemi in it, yeah. Boop.
Turn the wheel just this big.
Damn. Damn. That Johnny toast. And now we're back where we started.
Don't take anything off yet, so I know you.
Alright. Yeah, my lights. My keys were still in here.